Rosemary Aitken. I've been doing my apprenticeship for a year and a half now, and I'm doing level 3 business admin. I decided to do an apprenticeship because I didn't want to go into university or any sort of higher education that way, but I still wanted to come out of it with a qualification, and also I felt like it gave me the work experience that I would need to get into another job. After my apprenticeship, I am hoping to progress into a full-time role within the college. I really enjoy working here. I really love the people that I work with, so hopefully I can get a full-time role. I think other companies should take on an apprentice because it is such a great experience for the apprentice. It allows them to work whilst they learn, and you gain so much experience that you wouldn't have gained if you were to do it in just like an educational setting. Like dealing with colleagues, how to speak to them all, different types of communications like emails and stuff, because I didn't have any experience with that before I started working here. I think it's really great being an apprentice because you do get to work whilst you learn. You also get to earn some money, which is nice because you wouldn't do that if you're in full-time education. Yeah, it's a really great experience and you learn a lot of things. You learn like about being with colleagues. It's a lot different to being in school because you're working with adults and it's a lot nicer.